ebintu ebi ab'ekigombe kya National Unity Platform NUP baba batwarira abarwaire ahirwariro rya Kigorobya Health Center ya Kana omuri district ya Hoima aba harimu mama kit, sanitary pads, sabuni, ebafu hamwe na n'ebindi ebirikwejunisibwa omuntu ori omu mbeera za buriijo. Aba baba bebembirwe omu nyishengyero wa municipality ya Mityana Francis Zake na Moses Aguda bashanga geti y'irwariro ririho engufuru. Aba batambikira n'ebigambo n'abarinzi b'irwariro kandi omukira ko abarwaire bayirunda ha geti nukwe okwigura geti aha kifuba aba batandika kugabira abakazi ebintu.
But we've come here, it is locked with more than 2 locks. Actually, there are 3 locks on that gate, whereby normally this gate is supposed to be open. But as of now, we don't know what's happening, why they have closed it, and the officers are not saying a thing.
Today is an international youth day. For us as a National Unity Platform, we had decided to celebrate this day in this style, to come and do charity in some of the health centers. One of the health centers we had chosen Kigorobya Health Center for, to come and bring these, materials which are mostly used by women in the hospitals.
Aba bantu bakigaba ebintu nukwe Pooriisi ebembirwe Jackson Bogere or DPC okutahamu ekakwata zake n'abatahibe.
Abantu tibakusobola ku affordinga sabuni, abantu bakusobola ku affordinga benseni, abantu bakusobola kora so abasigaza abato okuruga mu kitebe kimwe kya National Unity Platform bagambire bajja kwijuka kiro kine kyabe minyeto nibagabira hakake akabasoboire kwekunganya.
Pooriisi yashendekereze motoka yabo kuruga Kigorobya mpaka mu tawuni ya Hoima na n'ekigendererwa cyo kubakoma nukwe kubatorokaho.
Chonga tinkurura nti batusibira heru ebintu nati ngwekaguza tujja bigara maduka tujjaga tubigabire bya tugenda bitekanka nkure napo yamani nkura kimigiriza bwo kuba abebitebe ebindi bakore ebintu bino openly and freely mwige dore motoka ya honorable zake bagitomeire ango habwaki tugabire ebintu mbarwaire tugabire sabunu tugabire sukali tugabire mama kit toilet papers abantu banchala basemerire muno kandi batusima kandi buli muntu afunire ebintu bine bindi bisagire tubigarire mu motoka
omumu batunga obuhwezi yasima. Omugambirizi wa Pooriisi omu kyanga kya Mwitanzige SP Julius Hakiza Arani ari kugambira hasimu yagamba hanshonga egi.
Twasanga this is the committee bitakukimanyi niba kuba aba health district health DHO yatakukimanyi cyo twakora twabagira bagarukeyo imvana benda kugaba emere mu barwaire bine kumanyiza relevant authorities bitari byo kwiga from nowhere bakatandika kugaba emere
ebyabaho mukire obu abantu po bariyo nibetegura kureta omuntu rije kwesimbaho hantebe ya katano omu okugarukamwa akaruru ko kutorana chairman wa district ya Hoima. Amakuru agagasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.